Death is a privilege that God grants you and denies me. I was one of his most faithful servants until he took my princess, the love of my life. You did not play hard enough! My life no longer belongs to your God.
You're the first one to have captured a specimen alive. What exactly did I capture?
A vampire.
My master. He comes to find his princess.
Here you are.
My prince. My love. Have we met before?
Count Dracula. For 400 years, waiting for her return.
I can't help but feel as if I don't belong in this time.
This man is the devil. He must be stopped.
What kind of spell are you putting on me?
She is my salvation.
You are her damnation.
God sent you here to kill me.
God sent me here to save you.
I apologize for my dramatic entrance.
He's here.
Let him come.